Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have baked chicken with chicken, broccoli rice, and string beans on the side. Oh, this looks good.
What's good, fam? We're back in the building. Shake up my black people thing.
The black people juice?
Shake it up.
Happy Monday. What you guys been up to?
Happy Monday, family. Alright. We're gonna get all in that long talking now. That's gruff.
Look, I put the breast on your side and thigh on my side.
Hope everybody had a good weekend.
Good 3-day weekend at that. Ooh. We got a half a chicken, but it's actually a whole chicken. The other half, the kids have it.
Here's my side? Oh, you already pointed out to me already?
I sure did, but of course you don't listen. Family, we didn't forget about you.
You sure didn't.
We have family over.
You know how that is.
You know, they take up all your time.
You know how that is, fam.
You gotta cater to them, take care of them, and send them about their merry way.
That's how it is, family. Well, we're back, you know? Miss y'all. Y'all didn't even tell us y'all missed us. See that? See that?
They probably tired of telling us that.
They ain't miss us. They ain't miss us, right? Trust me. Wow.
You guys know I like the leg and the thigh.
I like the dark meat. Oh, no, I don't. I like dark meat when I'm hungry. I like the white meat. I almost got confused. Right? And if I'm gonna use mine, I'm trying to be cute.
You didn't for your breast right there.
Cut my breast for me, please. Right here? Alright.
Dig up your breast, man.
You got my breast? Or my breast?
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Ooh. What you guys been up to? We told you what we've been doing.
They're not talking to us. They're mad at us. Sorry for moving the chicken.
No, you're fine.
But I have to move it my you.
You gotta move it together.
They're not talking. What y'all been up to? What's new in the neighborhood? No? On top of that? Question my or not?
About what, abortion?
The law with them in.
No, I think that because I'm the only one who's gonna be talking about it.
Oh, that's true. Okay, the only one. Yeah. That gravy, you didn't tell me how the gravy tastes.
My cherry gravy tastes bad, man. Good. It's real good.
My special gravy, you know, it's something quick, you know? Damn, I can't move the chicken in my you.
You can move the chicken. The chicken not bother me. You move it, I'm move it right back. Let it fall off of the bone, man. Let it fall off of the bone.
First day you said I gotta eat my greens. No? I'm gonna eat my greens. Well.
I just have some water.
Wow.
Whew.
How's your summer going, man?
That's true. Anyone went to the beach yet? Water park?
Water park. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be in somebody's city pretty soon.
We sure are, dog.
Pretty soon. And you're gonna know why the reason. I'm gonna do a little vlog about it, so.
Do a little vloggity vlog.
But pretty soon we're gonna be in somebody's city. Okay? We might go live.
Why not?
In the city. Right?
In the city.
Yeah.
For real.
We might go live in that city, son. You never know where we're gonna end up. And it's coming pretty soon. Okay? So watch and follow.
This gravy is good. I don't know how you make gravy
Very
like
good.
that. It's always good.
Very good. Nice.
I put some honey on the chicken
You did? I don't even taste it.
because I didn't have enough.
Oh.
I didn't have enough.
Oh.
Why are you looking at chicken like that?
I didn't even taste it. I don't even know if honey's on it or not.
Because on the skin and I didn't have enough. I was so mad.
Wow. Family. Yes. Dad, I already reached this far. Yes. Subscribe. Like, comment. You know what I'm saying? If you're new, I am Richie and this is Shanice, aka First Lady, you know? Watch us and get to know us. Don't miss the word. I got a little, it's a word, but I'm asking y'all a question like that. You know what I'm saying? If you can relate, relate, okay? It's a word, but I'm asking you if you know what I'm saying? I want you to relate. But this is nice.
This gravy is busting.
Chicken big enough?
Gravy busting.
A big chicken, man.
I should have put it all over the chicken, eh?
Yeah, you should have. That gravy hit me. Did I make it fast enough?
I know. I was gonna make it. I asked Richard to make it because he was home. Usually if he's not home, I have to make it. I mean, it comes out good, but nothing like Richie's.
Everything I cook now come out good, my you know I make it mine.
True. I remember when the kids was younger, I cooked all the time. Richie wasn't as adventurous. He cooked, but not as much. Now, it's the opposite. He's cooking all the time, and I'm like, yeah, I don't really feel like cooking. So, at least I have a husband that can cook, right?
That's true.
Because that would be hard.
Yep.
But not only cook, but can cook good.
Yeah, at least I have a wife that can cook too.
You can take care of your side.
Well.
Yeah, how you going over there? Y'all going good?
Man, so I want big chicken, you know?
Big piece of chicken. Okay. Oh, the leg that. You don't like that part.
No, let's leave right as a man.
Oh, yeah, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take it right as a man. You would just turn just like that.
Yeah, you said that. You me chicken, man.
So go on good now. Yep.
The presentation is over. Yam time.
It's a big half a fowl. What kind of rice is this is again?
Yes, I not even know. I think chicken broccoli. Something. Chicken broccoli rice. I'll be honest with you. This is the first time I've made it, and it came out this good. Usually,
it always come out good. Everything you make.
It sticks up sometimes.
Everything you make come out good. You hear me complaining? Family, you never hear me complaining about First Lady food. Be honest. Tell me if you ever hear me complaining about First Lady food. Comment down. And let me know.
The trick with this rice, you have to keep on mixing it up. Because it'll get stuck together. Because it has pasta in it.
You don't have no more gravy out there?
Yeah, more gravy, money.
I'll put gravy on my chop and chicken, man.
I'll be back, family.
Yeah, you don't get the gravy.
And action.
Wow, beautiful. Here we go. Yes, the gravy is good.
It's real good.
Yep. I don't know. Every time, I don't know.
I went to Sam's yesterday, and I'm saying to myself, why is it so packed in here? What is going on? What are these people doing? Is there something happening I don't know about? I forgot.
Oh, yeah.
The next day's the 4th of July.
Yeah.
But
Happy 4th. What you Tom?
no stuff. Let's celebrate that, man.
What y'all doing for 4th of July? When y'all see this?
Oop. A bit nice me, Mac.
This tropical punch is nice. Wow. Tom, you ain't eating none of your chicken over there. I'm the only one eating the chicken. You see that?
See? Here we go again.
You're not eating no chicken, y'all. See, my side done. Family.
Why you always gotta worry about me?
No,
I'm telling you, my husband is obsessed with me. He's freaking obsessed.
You know African manjo?
Yeah.
Wow. It's a lot of chicken. No cap. You see? I ate
It's
all my
soft.
greens.
And it's soft. You ain't eat no greens.
I ate a lot. You
Look at all
put
the
them
greens.
greens. No, I ate a lot. You gonna see in the video. I ate a lot of greens. I ain't gonna lie. You know I don't mess with the string bean in it.
Yeah, I'm string beans. I know that.
You know I like string beans, but I eat them today, Herman.
You would eat it. And I make it for Thanksgiving. A turkey in it.
Well, no one of my chicken might be full of my own. Look. Breast gone. Let me see that? I did wonders over that side.
You love to demolish your breasts. That's something though.
You know I love breasts. My favorite. You know that.
That chicken is nice and soft.
Very nice. How much I ate a pepper, Tom?
Yeah? It's hot because it doesn't taste hot. Because I put it in the sauce.
It don't taste hot. But I just ate the bone. Not the bone, the bone. The seeds.
You see? Whew.
Yeah. When you hear that, you know what time it is. It's over.
I'm full.
That's right. First lady full. For everybody that's new, when first lady full, first lady is full. My first lady don't eat no more. You feel me? That's it. If you're new, the family members already know that already. But appreciate y'all for rocking with us. You know what I'm saying? Be safe from whatever y'all doing.
Yeah.
Always be safe, you know? The world is crazy out there.
It's not bad with the chicken.
Yeah, not bad.
Guys, if you can, stock up on canned food. Because we might be going into a food shortage.
Yes.
I know you're going into the supermarkets now and you're seeing your shelves are filled with food. For the most part. You don't know what's going on in the back end. So stock up on canned foods and water. You know, just stock up. And remember, whenever if anything ever happens, you know, you have your neighbors. You got to get to know your neighbors. It's very important. Thank God my husband and I know all of our neighbors on the block. And
Yes,
we can help each other if there's a crisis.
Because I talk a lot. First lady don't talk.
Yeah, I don't talk
I
about
talk to everybody for family.
Yeah.
All right, we appreciate y'all. So now, remember what I told you in the video that if y'all can relate to that, y'all relate. Okay, first lady, I want you to listen. Okay. You full, right? My first lady full. That's it, son. Ain't none of that. Family. First lady, listen. We believe true love meets you in your mess and not at your best. When someone sticks around, no matter how hard things get, they really love you. You believe in that?
Me not stick round though.
You believe in that?
Me not stick round.
Okay, so
It depends on how bad it gets because you ain't gonna be treating me like a crazy person on the stage.
Yeah, we're not talking about treating like that. I'm just saying like hard times and stuff like that. That's something that you can relate to that. Like your hard times, you know, some people, I can't say, some guys could be with a woman or some women could be with a guy. When the woman is up, they are right, but when they down, it's over. And the same thing.
It's true.
That's what I mean. I'm not talking about no bad situation.
No, I know, but you know, I have to put it out there. Me nasty, so, you're not gonna beat me. No.
Yeah, we're not talking about that situation. Abusiveness. You know what I'm saying? But the other way.
Like
but
that.
let me know. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. And y'all could comment on what situation, like our first lady just said. Y'all could comment. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Tell me, Sarah. Okay, Richie, this situation. I won't stay, but this one now, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's true.
Comment down and let me know.
That's I'm nasty because you're not put your hand on me now because I'm going to fight.
No, come on, man. I'm never to that, man. We appreciate that. We appreciate that. We appreciate you. Thank you for rocking with us. If you're new, I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady. And don't forget to share, subscribe. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And that's it.
Like up the things. Tell
them the end of the thing now.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course.
Bye. Yo.